When hunger strikes between meals, it's important to reach for wholesome snacks that provide sustained energy and nourishment. In this video, we'll explore 5 wholesome snacks to keep you fueled. Greek yogurt with berries. Greek yogurt is packed with protein, calcium, and probiotics, making it an excellent choice for maintaining a healthy gut and supporting muscle recovery. Simply top a serving of Greek yogurt with a handful of fresh or frozen berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries, for a burst of natural sweetness and antioxidants. Homemade granola bars. Next up, we have homemade granola bars, which are a perfect option for those seeking a nutritious and convenient snack. Homemade granola bars allow you to control the ingredients and tailor them to your preferences. Before we continue, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful content on maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Peanut butter banana rice cakes. For a satisfying and energizing snack, look no further than peanut butter banana rice cakes. Rice cakes are a low-calorie, gluten-free option that can be topped with a variety of nutritious ingredients. Spread a layer of natural peanut butter onto a rice cake, then add sliced bananas for a creamy and fruity twist. Trail mix with dried fruits. Trail mix is a versatile and customizable snack that offers a wide range of flavors and nutrients. By combining nuts, seeds, and dried fruits, you can create a delicious blend that provides a good balance of protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates. Veggie and hummus wraps. Lastly, we have veggie and hummus wraps, which are an excellent option for those craving a savory and nutritious snack. Take a whole grain tortilla and spread a generous amount of hummus as a base. Then, fill it with an assortment of fresh, colorful vegetables like cucumber, bell peppers, carrots, and leafy greens. Incorporating wholesome snacks into your daily routine is key to maintaining a balanced and energized lifestyle. Experiment with these options and find the ones that suit your taste preferences and dietary needs best. Stay nourished and enjoy the benefits of these delicious and wholesome snacks.